Before you continue, it can be useful to check your current password strength. Different services use different strength metrics to give you different strength scores, but if you try 2 or 3 of them, you'll get a general idea about how secure your password is. Here are some of them. Let's take, for example, the Kaspersky.com service. Let us switch to passwordkaspersky.com, a very well-made website for checking your passwords. It also supports a bunch of languages, even Klingon. This is super. So, what I'm going to do is to demonstrate to you what these websites, password checkers, what they do. I will take the password that I used to use some years ago for a bunch of my web services, which now I don't do. Okay, so this is my password. I will just copy and paste it. And as you can see, this password can be brute forced by an average MacBook Pro in 20 hours. In a real environment, when passwords are brute forced by a powerful grid of cloud-based VPSs, they're very powerful. They can do it much faster than in 20 hours, believe me. Not in 1 second, they're not supercomputers, but a couple of hours will do the job. Okay, so how will this all change if we, for example, add an uppercase and we'll add a symbol? Let's go on. As you can see that these simple manipulations extend the period of brute force up to 9 days. And if we follow the rule of 10-character password, as you can see, this password is 8 characters long, and we add, for example, 1 uppercase symbol and 1 special symbol. As you can see, this manipulation extends the period of brute force attack up to 3 years. In case that you change your passwords regularly, at least twice a year, these manipulations should do the trick. Okay, you also can go on and check the other websites, go and check your passwords. And maybe you will find a way to maybe modify the passwords you use to make it much less hackable.